To decorate my box, I'm going to be painting the whole thing with titanium white, except for the floor area. For my flooring, I'm going to be using this marble paper, and I'm just going to be gluing that down. My skirtings for my box, I've just painted some stirring sticks white, and then I'm going to be placing them around the corners like that. I'm setting up my little box room, so the first thing I'm doing is I'm putting my mirror in place that I made, and then I'll remove the backing paper later. So everything is complete in my little house, my little room, and now I'm just going to be setting it up. So I've put all the little cushions on like that as well. And then I'll remove the backing on my mirror. I've decorated a really small Christmas tree, which I'm going to be placing on top of my fireplace. I've got these rather cute, tiny little stockings that I got from a pack that you make Christmas cards with, which I'm going to take these little stockings and I'm going to be placing them onto my little hearth. If you'd like to see how to make the hearth, or the wall sconces, or the chandeliers, I'll leave a link in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching.